Hey friends, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel. My name's Maggie and I'm so glad you have joined me here for another video. I typically post videos 2 to 3 times a week, from vlogs to adventures to hiking to recipes, all sorts of goodies and lifestyle videos. And then last week I filmed 3 different smoothie recipes, but I never was able to actually film an intro and outro because story of my life. And I am currently here visiting family and playing with my godson. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these 3 recipes. Let me know if you do try them out. And if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to click the little red button. It costs you absolutely nothing and you just support me. Alright, let's see these. Alright guys, I'm having so much fun playing with my godson here. I hope you guys enjoyed those 3 smoothies and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.